Well, students of class 10th, now today we are going to start chapter number 4 of geography. The title of the chapter is Agriculture. Now you know that agriculture, in other words, we can say farming. So, first of all, we are going to discuss about the types of farming. There are four types of farming. The first one, primitive subsistence farming, intensive subsistence farming, commercial farming, and plantation farming. Primitive subsistence farming. In this farming, it is practiced on small pieces of land with primitive tools. Means the tools whatever used previously many years ago. Farming depends on monsoons, natural fertility of the soil. Monsoons and natural fertility means in this type of farming we can't use the chemical fertilizers and the other instruments for irrigation. This farming is fully depend on monsoon and natural fertility of the soil. Practice slash and burn agriculture. In this type of farming, slash and burn type of agriculture is practiced nature to replenish the fertility of soil, and there is called shifting agriculture and zooming in north eastern parts of India. So the second one is intensive subsistence farming. It is depend on labor intensive and also done on high population pressure. In those areas where population is much high, too higher, in that area this type of farming has been practiced. High dosage of biochemical and irrigation used. In this type of farming, we have to use several biochemical fertilizers and several means of irrigations. Land holding sizes reduced with right of inheritance. As the population grows through the right of inheritance, the land size has been decreased. Farmers take maximum output from limited land, and through this type of farming, the farmers are being able to take maximum production from limited land. Thereafter, commercial farming. This type of farming in this type of farming, use of higher dosage of modern inputs. Modern inputs means different types of chemical fertilizers, different types of tools, different types of harvesters, and all. In this type of farming, the farmers use of high yielding variety of seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides, and pesticides also. Like rice is a commercial crop in Haryana and Punjab, but subsistence crop in Odisha. Rice is being the commercial crop in Haryana and Punjab, but it is a subsistence crop in Odisha. Thereafter, plantation farming. The another type of commercial farming is known as plantation farming. A single crop grown on a larger area. In this type of farming, a single crop grown in a larger area. It is an interface of agriculture and industry. It covers a large tracts of land using capital intensive input with the help of migrant laborers. In the next video, we will discuss about cropping pattern. Well, students, our next topic is cropping pattern in fourth chapter of geography, agriculture. There are three cropping patterns applied in India: Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. The Rabi crops sown in winter from October to December and harvested in summer from April to June. Important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram, mustard, and etc. Mostly Rabi crops are grown in Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, and UP. Availability of precipitation in winter and success of green revolution depend on Rabi crops. Thereafter, second one is Kharif, that is grown with onset of monsoons and harvested in September October. It means that when the rainy season, monsoon season had uh, monsoon season is started, at that time Kharif crops are sown and it will be harvested in the months of September and October. Important crops of Kharif are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, tur, moong, cotton, groundnut, etc., which are especially grown in Assam, West Bengal, and coastal regions. In Assam, West Bengal, three crops in a year of paddy: Ash, Aman, Baro, Ash, Aman, Baro, and the third pattern is Jaid, that is grown in between Rabi and Kharif. When the Rabi crops had been harvested, and after crops had been harvested and Kharif crop had been sown, in between whatever the time period left, means in that period Jair crops had been produced. The main crops in this pattern is watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, vegetables, and fodder crops. Thank you. Our next topic is the major crops.